If you love air dry clay as much as I do, you've got to check this one out. This is the iFergoo air dry clay set. Now, I've used this before, but this is a brand new one that I'm going to open and show you because I am just so excited that it's in the mail. It came in the mail and I get to show it to you. First of all, isn't this packaging so cute? But when your kids are home for the summer and they need stuff to do, air dry clay is just perfect for it. Oh, why can't I get it out? There it is. All right, so this one comes with 36 different colors of air dry clay. And obviously you can see it comes with a few other little goodies as well. And of course, the bag reseals for good measure. But what I really want to show you is that this clay is designed to be super soft, lightweight, and easy to shape, making it suitable for beginners, especially kids. So let's go ahead and open this one up so that you can see it. My kids absolutely love playing with this stuff. They like to make little necklaces or like beaded things for necklaces and whatnot on there. All right, so this is like a nice light pink color. And if I could get it out, I would love to show you some of what it can do. There we go. So as you can see here, it is super lightweight. It's easy to shape, it's soft, and it really is suitable for just about anybody. It can be stretched, rolled, bent, and molded into a variety of shapes and designs. One feature that makes it especially convenient is that it's air dry clay, so there's no need for baking or any sort of special equipment. Simply create your project and allow it to dry naturally, and that's it. The clay comes in so many bright colors, and of course, you can mix them to get some cool marbling and things like that. It's commonly used for making miniature figurines or animal characters. You can create custom shades or creative effects, make decorations with them, anything like that. So this type of clay works well for classroom activities, rainy day projects, birthday parties, play dates, or if you're like me, your kids are home for the summer and you want to give them an art project to do. So they love playing with this stuff. If you are looking for an easy to use modeling clay that doesn't require baking, the iFergoo air dry clay kit offers a simple and colorful way to explore creative projects. And, you know, it's kind of fun for the adults too, I'm not going to lie. And the kids that are really into Minecraft, well, they can make these little deals like this, make their own little Minecraft blocks, and then just let it dry. Of course, as I mentioned, it comes with all these little baggies for the spares so that you can put them inside. They won't dry out if you're not going to be using the rest of this. And you've got all these fun little clay tools. So I hope that you enjoyed getting to see all of this. And like I said, I highly recommend this. And I thank you so much to iFergoo for sending me this to do a video for. Like I said, I've used it before, but I was really excited that they sent me another package. And I don't think you'll be disappointed with this. So happy clay time, everybody.